Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add the product thumbnail on Gumroad. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with gumroad.com and then log into your account. Now you will need to open the product. So just go with the products option on the left hand menu and then open or select the product you want to edit. So for example, I will go with the ebook one, for example, and just click on the name. And here you will need to locate the cover image section. So this is the cover. So now you will notice that the thumbnail is under the cover. Okay, so this is thumbnail, and all you need to do here is to click on upload. And after then you will be forwarded, or the computer files will pop up, and all you need to do is to go and select an image from your computer. So the recommended are or recommended formats are JPG or PNG, and size like 600 600px or 800 600px or similar for best display, and make it eye-catching and relevant to your product. And once select one, just go with open and it will be uploaded, and then you will need to go with save and continue, then publish, and your product thumbnail will afterward appear on your Gumroad product page and in any shared links. So you will need to use the high resolution images for professional appearance and make the thumbnail clear and relevant to your product's content. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.